I understand English, but I can't speak it.
Why you can understand but can't speak. Hello everyone. Welcome to SN English Practice. Do you understand English when someone speaks to you?
Do you watch English movies and understand some words? Do you read English messages easily? But when you try to speak English, you stop. You feel nervous. You search for words. You think in your native language first. And you say, I know English, but I can't speak English. If you feel the same, this lesson is specially for you. In this video, we will understand why you understand English but cannot speak, how to start thinking in English, simple daily sentences for speaking practice, a real-life conversation practice. So watch this video till the end and practice with me. Why you can understand but can't speak. Many English learners have the same problem. They listen to English every day. They learn grammar rules. They memorize vocabulary. But speaking is still difficult. Why?
Because understanding and speaking are two different skills.
For example, you can understand when someone says, "Are you hungry?" You know the meaning. But when you want to ask someone the same question, you think, how can I say? Then your brain searches for translation. This process takes time, and conversation stops. The solution: don't translate every sentence. Start learning English as a sentence, not as a single word. The story of Emily. Emily was a student. She studied English for many years. She knew grammar. She knew thousands of words. She could understand English movies. But she was afraid of speaking. Whenever someone talked to her in English, she became nervous. One day her friend asked, "Emily, why don't you speak English? You understand everything." Emily said, "I don't know. I know the words, but I can't make sentences." Her friend smiled and said, "You don't need perfect English. You need practice." Emily asked, "How can I practice?" Her friend said, "Start with small sentences. Speak English every day. Don't worry about mistakes." From that day, Emily started speaking simple English. She started with, "I am tired. I am hungry. I am going outside. I need some water." Slowly, her confidence increased. After a few months, Emily could speak English comfortably. The problem was not her ability. The problem was her fear. Remember one thing: mistakes are a part of learning. A child also makes mistakes when learning a language. A child doesn't think, "Is my sentence grammatically perfect?" They just speak. You also need the same confidence. Don't think, "My English is bad." Think, "My English is improving every day." Repeat after me. I am learning English. I am improving every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I can speak English. Now we will practice thinking in English. Imagine your daily routine. In the morning, I am awake. I need to get up. I will brush my teeth. I will take a shower. I am getting ready. In the kitchen, I am making tea. I am cooking breakfast. The food is ready. I am feeling hungry. At home, I am cleaning the room. I am watching TV. I am talking to my family. I am relaxing now. Outside, I am going to the market. I need to buy some things. The weather is nice today. I am walking slowly. Conversation. First day speaking English. Hello, how are you?
I am good. How about you?
I am fine. What are you doing?
I am learning English.
That's great. Why are you learning English?
I want to speak English confidently.
Don't worry. Practice every day.
Yes, I will practice every day.
What is your biggest problem?
I understand English, but I can't speak.
Start with small sentences.
Thank you. I will try.
Practice section. Now repeat these sentences with me. I understand English. I am learning to speak English. I speak English every day. I am improving my vocabulary. I am not afraid of mistakes. I can communicate in English. I will become fluent. Practice makes me better. I believe in myself. I can do it.
Congratulations.
You completed day 1 of English speaking practice. Remember, you don't need thousands of words to start speaking. You need confidence and daily practice. Don't wait for perfect English. Start with simple English. If you want to improve your speaking skills, follow this series. Day 1. I understand English, but I can't speak it. Meet me in the next lesson. Keep practicing. Keep learning. This is SN English Practice. Thank you for watching.